What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new episode of Masked Up Motors. Welcome back, guys. I know I didn't put out a video for a little bit, but you know what? I was on vacation, so sorry. But today, I've been waiting for this thing for like, I don't know, like 3-4 months. Honestly, I completely forgot about it. And it's finally arrived. It was just like a big box and they left it here and I was like, oh, this must be the thing that I've been waiting for. And this will be a part of this. Yeah. And then I'm gonna start welding to it. The only problem is I completely forgot to order more lights for this because this is supposed to be like, what is this called? A basket, a roof basket, called a roof basket with like little lights on them. Like they're not little, but they're like fog lights on them. There's 4, I only have 2. Figured I was gonna order some. I completely forgot to order them. But I guess I'll just order them eventually. But we'll just put this on first. And I'm just like super excited to see what it looks like. It's gonna be really hard to do an unboxing, my normal unboxing spot, but I'm just gonna use my handy dandy pocket box opening thing right here. So I'm just gonna get this open. Oh, Machete would be so proud. Judge me. All right. Let's fast forward. Let me open this. Ta-da! It's open. So, I never actually installed one of these before, and a little shocked that it didn't come with like foam or anything. I mean, I guess a little bit of padding right there might stop it from getting dented. Let me see. Let me look upon, see if there's maybe like some instructions. All right, instructions found. It was just 2 pieces of paper, and they didn't even bother to put the hardware anywhere. It was just kind of like in the bottom of the box. Whatever. I guess doesn't have to be fancy. Let's see. Got pictures. I like pictures. I don't like reading. Ooh, okay. Doesn't tell me how I'm going to put this on top of that. Oh, hold on. I got some pictures of something down here. Whatever this is, whatever this little doodad thing right here, I guess that's gonna go down first. So I noticed there's some little package there. Can't be that, right? Doesn't look like that. What does this do? That's a part of this. And there's a key? That's a knob. Oh man. All right, let me do some research. All right, well, after hearing the sound of defeat in my voice, this is supposed to be universal, but I don't think it's universal enough. Oh man. See, I think this is supposed to go on top of like, I don't know, from what it looks like, I guess a ski rack or whatever, and it's like slightly lifted up, and it just might need to fabricate my own thing. How annoying. Let me see if I can come up and brainstorm some stuff. All right, so as I was trying to figure this out, looks like Subaru thought about me, and I found this little tab here with some pre-drilled holes. And I'm like, yes, thank you. Something's actually working in my favor. I'm so happy, thank you. Thank you, Subaru, for doing this. And there's one in every corner, which is amazing. Now my next thing is I need to find something that can fit into these holes, like some sort of bracket of sorts to make this work. So I'm not in the clear just yet, but pretty close to it, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right, so just thought of something, and it looks like I might need a roof rack. Before I even waste my time in trying to make this work, I'm just gonna do some quick measuring here. We got roughly around 40.5 inches. 40.5 inches. We got from that one, a little bit bigger, 40.5. But the thing is, don't think I have anything to fabricate on this. Let me keep brainstorming. Yeah, so I put some microfiber rags up here to kind of minimize the scratching. Didn't really work out so well. A couple concerns when I did put it up here. You know, like the roof is what's the word? Not concaved. Bulgy? I don't know. It has a beer belly. I don't know, bro. Whatever. Anyways, obviously it just doesn't lay flush. Yeah, so that's one of my concerns. It doesn't lay flush. It's like there's like 5 inches right here of just empty space. My other concern is if I do decide to just slap it on here, one bump, I'm just not even gonna have a sunroof. This is gonna be gone. It's shattered on my face. So this video was a fail, guys. Tune in next time on another episode of Masked Up Motors. What am I gonna do? Can't put it on there. toy. Piece of man, why does nothing work? Man? Give up. Damn it, man. I'm really gonna have to buy it. I literally bought a basket, so I didn't have to buy a rack. Now I have to buy a rack so I can put the. Burn it all to the ground. How do I save this video? Alright guys, so as you can see here, complete and utter fail. It's like a complete waste of my time. I literally have to buy a rack to put my rack on top. Very frustrating, very annoying. Nothing ever works out. There's always an obstacle that I have to figure out anyways. Side note, I did get a 3D printer. Yes, I am practicing on how to use it. I haven't figured out how to like design my own things. I've figured out how to like find designs online and make them, if that makes any sense. So far, I have made a frog with a butt. Yeah, a frog with a butt and a little robot. Yeah, that's all I made so far. Everything else was just like trial and error, and I just broke everything. Oh, yeah, I digress. But hopefully we can get this squared away sometime. I don't know, whenever I get a rack, but there is some new and exciting videos to come. I hope less failing. I hope less failing. This is a great way to start the year, guys. A great way to start the year. Thank you for being my lovely subscriber. Please comment, like, subscribe. So I know I already did an outro, but I just came to a realization of something. So I started putting all these together because, you know, I didn't want to lose any pieces. I have this metal bracket fixation. Well, they call it a fixation plate. So I have one here, right? I have two, and that's it. Like, there's no more plates. That was everything that was in the box. I kept everything in one place, and I started putting everything together, and great. Now I have to make another part.